Hi guys, AR Malik here. In this video, I am going to show you how to turn on autoplay next video on YouTube. There are two methods. I am going to share both of the methods. Let's open up YouTube. First method, click on your profile in bottom right corner, then click on setting option in top right corner. Now scroll down and there is option of playback. Click on this playback option. Now at first option you can see autoplay next video. You have to turn it on. From this method you can turn on or turn off autoplay next video. In second method, go back in YouTube. You have to play a random video. I am going to play this video. Now when you play a video, then you have to tap on that video. At top you can see there is option. You can turn on or turn off with this icon. With this method, you can easily turn on autoplay or turn off autoplay on YouTube. Like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching full video.